In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can include files with confidence every time you reach out to a contact. Start by opening your web browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Use your standard login method, and if your company uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Next, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar and locate the CRM section. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or click the menu icon to expand the labels. CRM is where you'll find your contacts, companies, deals, and more. Click Contacts. This is important because attachments are added while composing an email from a contact's record. From the contacts list, select the person you want to message. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the right contact. Click their name to open the full record. On the contact's timeline, click Email to open the Email Composer. This brings up a familiar editing window where you can add a subject and write your message. It's a good idea to keep the subject clear and the body of the email concise, so your attachment has proper context for the recipient. To attach a file, click the Paperclip icon in the email toolbar. It's usually near the formatting options. This opens the attachment controls. Choose Upload to add a file from your computer. Your file picker will appear, letting you navigate to the document, image, PDF, or presentation you want to send. Select the file and click Open. HubSpot will upload the file and attach it to your draft. You'll see the attachment listed beneath the subject line or within the Composer area. If needed, you can repeat the process to add more than one file. Aim to use clear, descriptive file names and reasonable file sizes so your message is easy to understand and quick to receive. If the file is very large, consider compressing it before attaching. Also, double-check you're not including any sensitive information that shouldn't be shared. At this point, your attachment is ready to send. Give your email a quick review for tone, accuracy, and context. Make sure the right contact is selected, the message references the file, and the attachment is visible. That's all it takes to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and practice these steps a couple of times so it becomes second nature.